recap of your significant figure rules. If you want to understand where these rules come from, be sure to go back and watch the previous video where I explained to you why the rules are the rules. The first rule is that leading zeros are never significant. So let's say I have this measurement. How many significant figures are there in the measurement? Well, the zeros are leading. They're just placeholders. They don't count. So this is significant, and that is significant. We would say that there are 3 significant figures. The second rule was for what we call included zeros. Zeros in between things that we measured. So let's say I had another measurement, 1.05 centimeters. I measured this. This is a good estimate. So both of these are significant, so that has to be significant. Included zeros are always significant, so again we have 3 significant figures. Let me combine these 2 rules real quick. Okay? So here we have leading zeros. Let's put an included zero in there as well. The leading zeros are not significant, the included zero is, so this is significant, and that's significant. So again we have 3 significant figures. Let's look at the rules for trailing zeros. Now we talked about trailing zeros could just be a placeholder or they could be added on purpose. And we can tell whether they're added on purpose or not by if there is a decimal. If there's a decimal, they were added on purpose and they are significant. So let's say I have this measurement. Here are 2 zeros at the end. They are trailing. There's not a decimal written down. So therefore, they are just placeholders. These are not significant. So these tell us about our measurement. We measured this, we estimated that. So this measurement has 2 significant figures. Let's just change this oh so slightly. Now, there are zeros that are trailing, but there's a decimal. The only reason I would write those down is if I want you to count them. So I'm telling you these are significant. These are significant, and since these are between things that are significant, they're also significant. So every digit here is significant, so this has 6 significant figures. So significant figure rules are not hard, and if you go back to the previous video, it should make sense why the rules are what they are. But make sure you know them. Leading zero is never significant, including zeros are always significant, trailing zeros are significant if there is a decimal. But they're not significant if there is not a decimal.